Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding. The surroundings. While you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various name plans and viewing policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, through the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking your room in this hotel, then you can help us by contacting us. If you have already booked this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe our channel and press the video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.